It was 10:12 a.m. in Providence Municipal Court, a normal day. Or, at least, it seemed like one. That's when the court officer called the next case. Case 59102, Daniel Harper. School zone speeding. When Daniel stepped forward, the courtroom went silent. His posture was straight, but his eyes told another story. He wore an old military jacket, the kind soldiers keep long after war is over. His hands trembled slightly, yet he forced them still. Judge Caprio looked at him carefully. "Good morning, sir. Are you Daniel Harper?" "Yes, Your Honor," Daniel replied softly. Scene 1. A hidden pain. Judge Caprio glanced at the file. "You're charged with driving 42 miles per hour in a 25 school zone. That's serious. Why were you in such a hurry?" Daniel swallowed hard. "My daughter, she had a panic attack, sir. I was trying to get to her school." The courtroom shifted. People leaned in. Judge Caprio asked gently, "Is she all right now?" Daniel nodded, but then his eyes filled with tears he couldn't hide. "It was my fault, sir. She's been having episodes for months. Her therapist says they're connected to losing her mom." The room fell quiet. Judge Caprio asked softly, "How long ago did she pass?" Daniel hesitated. 12 years ago, Your Honor." The judge raised his head, surprised. Scene 2. The truth comes out. Daniel sighed deeply. "I told everyone my wife died in a car accident. But the truth is, she died while I was deployed in Afghanistan. I wasn't there to protect her. I wasn't there for my daughter. I didn't even make it to the funeral." His voice broke. "I've carried that guilt every day. My daughter thinks I'm the strongest man in the world. But she doesn't know her father wakes up at night shaking." Several people in the courtroom wiped their eyes. Judge Caprio leaned forward. "Daniel, that's a heavy burden for one man to carry alone." Scene 3. A daughter's letter. The police officer handed Judge Caprio a paper. "Your Honor, we found this inside Mr. Harper's registration." Caprio read silently, then looked at Daniel stunned. "It's a letter," Caprio said. "Written by your daughter." Daniel froze. He didn't know she had put it there. Caprio read aloud. "Dear whoever finds this, my dad is the bravest man I know. He takes me to therapy, makes my lunch, works double shifts, and still finds time to tuck me in every night. Please don't be mad at him. He's trying his best. Emily Harper, age 13. The courtroom broke. Soft crying echoed through the room. Daniel covered his face. "I didn't know she wrote that." Scene 4. The decision. Judge Caprio spoke gently. "Mr. Harper, you served your country. You're serving your daughter. And you're fighting battles nobody can see." Caprio paused. "This court is not adding another burden to your life." He closed the file. Case dismissed. Daniel looked up, tears flowing uncontrollably. "Your Honor, thank you." Judge Caprio stood. "No, thank your daughter. She reminded all of us what real bravery looks like." As Daniel walked out of the courtroom, people stood and applauded, not for the dismissal, but for the father who never stopped fighting.